ladies. Okay, so today I will be tackling my fridge. Okay, honey, I don't think I'm gonna do the freezer, but we will be doing the fridge. I'll see you guys shortly. Peace family. Okay, so this fridge, I had this fridge roughly I think over 10 years. Okay. I had brought this fridge from my old apartment to this new apartment that me and my children currently staying in now. And it's really a good fridge. Although the light bulb at the top, honey, it done came down. One of my children was trying to hurry up and put stuff in the fridge and the bulb came down. But this fridge, I must say, is really, really good. Honey, 10 years, okay? Honey, is really good. Right here, I am pretty much cleaning the condiments off because I had some vegan Italian sausages, Chipotle sausages that was in the fridge and it started leaking. Right here, this is pretty much, the fridge is cleaned out now. Honey, it looks so better once the stuff is like pretty much organized. And I could have taken everything out at one time, but I didn't really want to do that. I wanted to do where the condiments were first. And then I was going to be honest, honey, I wasn't even going to clean as much as I did. I was just going to pretty much organize it. But then sometimes, once you get in a mood to clean or you feeling good to clean, once you start doing like one item, it's like, you know what, let me do the whole damn thing. Okay, so it's two things that I believe I need help with. So I am, when it comes to shopping, I still see that I am a compulsive shopper. So what I do is I buy new food on top of the old food. So instead of, finishing up what we have in the fridge pretty much, what I do is I still go food shopping on top of the old food. I think that has something to do with like the fear of running out of food, right? And I tell you guys all the time, scarcity and like mindset, honey, ain't good. Okay. But that's what I see with myself. So here I am pretty much taking everything out. Some of this stuff, honey, some of this stuff is old. Okay. All right. And as I am cleaning, taking everything out, what I had seen was, it was some stuff that I threw out, but it's like the little shopping bag, and it has like the food that I just took out of the fridge. Honey, I was putting stuff that still was good that was in the garbage. In the little shopping bag. So I did take that out. I did take it out of the shopping bag. Okay, so right here, I don't know what was stuck in the fridge. I have a feeling it was something like those Chipotle vegan sausages, but then it's like gluey like this. So I don't know what that was, but this soap cutter sure came handy. Okay, honey, if you got anything that you need to scrape up, you could get you one of them scrapers from like Home Depot or something like that. So right here, I'm just pretty much finishing up cleaning. Okay, so when I say Dollar Tree is for me, honey, Dollar Tree is for me. This brush right here, so good. So with this brush, only thing you need to do is put pretty much the dish detergent in the handle, and as you are scrubbing or cleaning, whatever it is that you are cleaning, the dish detergent will start coming out from the sponge. Is so good, honey. $1.25. Now with me, sometimes I could be a little heavy handed. Okay. So as I was cleaning, honey, the brush done fell apart. Okay, so I got to get another one. But you guys let me know if you ever tried this brush, and if you haven't, and you want to get a brush that reaches like hard to reach places, or to do the job without you touching certain areas, honey, this brush, this is definitely it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a comment and turn your notifications on, so when I'm posting videos, you would be notified. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. With that being said, I love you guys. Keep rocking out, believing in yourself. Until next time, peace.